Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn C Sharp.NET. These are the topic which we are going to cover in this video. What is .NET? CLR, Common Language Runtime, Introduction to C Sharp, Why learn C Sharp, Features of C Sharp. What is .NET? Basically .NET is a framework for creating various types of applications such as desktop application, web application, mobile application and many more. .NET was designed and maintained by Microsoft Corporation. CLR in .NET. CLR is one of the main component of .NET. It is a program execution engine that loads and executes the program and converts it into a native code or machine understandable code. It acts as an interface between the framework and operating system. It is quite similar as JRE in Java. CLR has following key features. First, exception handling. Exceptions are the errors which occur when the application is executed, such as if an application tries to open a file in the local machine but the file is not present at that location, then we will get file not found exception. Next, garbage collection and memory management. Garbage collection is the process of removing unwanted resources when they are no longer required, such as database connection resources, file handling resources and so on. Due to this, more memory are available for an application. Next, it provides various security mechanisms to access the code. Interoperability is divided into two parts: application interoperability and language interoperability. Application interoperability, it provides a lot of backward support. That means you can easily run your older version of .NET Framework application in the latest version of .NET Framework. Language interoperability, it means when we compile our C# program, it is compiled into intermediate language. That compiled program or intermediate language can be used by any other .NET language like Visual Basic, F#, J# and so on. Portability, application built on .NET Framework can be made to use or work on any Windows platform. That is portability. Next, introduction to C#. .NET Framework provides many languages inside it, and C# is one of them. C# is an object-oriented programming language. C# has the root from the C family, and the language is close to other popular languages like C++ and Java. C# code execution process. As we see on the screen, the code execution process are divided into two parts. That is, conversion of source code to bytecode and the bytecode to native code. When the source code or C# code are compiled by C# compiler, it converted into bytecode, that is .dlr or .exe file. With the help of CLR, these .dlr and .exe files are compiled by just-in-time compiler to convert the bytecode into native code or machine understandable code. The conversion of source code to bytecode are happen at compiler time, and the conversion of bytecode to native code are happen at runtime. Next, applications of C#. By the help of C# programming language, we can develop different type of secured and robust applications such as mobile application, desktop application, web services, website, games, VR, database application and so on. Next, why learn C#? As we know that in today's time, the nature of human beings are to get benefits. So if human beings know that if we completing this task and we get this kind of benefits or opportunity, so he always try to complete that task. So as a developer, we always have to know the reason of learning anything or doing anything. So the reason of learning C#. First, it is one of the most popular programming language in the world. Next, it is easy to learn and simple to use. Third, huge community support, means it provides large community support on various platforms like Stack Overflow and so on. C# is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to a program. It allows to code to be reused or lowering the development cost. As C# is an extension of C and C++, so it makes easy for programmer to switch to C# or vice versa. Around the globe, 8 to 10% of applications are made by C# only. By using C Sharp, we can develop various kind of application as we discussed in earlier slides. Next, features of C Sharp. First, simple. C Sharp is a simple language in the sense that it provides a structured approach, that is, to break the problem into a parts. It has a rich set of libraries, function, data types, and so on. Next, modern programming language. C Sharp programming is based upon the current trend, and it is very powerful and simple for building scalable, interoperable, and robust applications. Object oriented. C Sharp is object oriented programming language. It is better than procedure oriented programming language because it is easy to maintain if the code grows as the project size grows. Interoperability. Interoperability is same as discussed in the earlier slides, that is application interoperability and the language interoperability. Next, scalable and updatable. C Sharp is the automatic, scalable, and updatable programming language. Next, component oriented. Component oriented is a predominant software development methodology used to develop more robust and highly scalable application. That is, it provides separation of program in the respect of wide range functionality available throughout the given software system. That means if we have the large scale of the software system, we can divide the or separate the that software on the basis of their functionality. Next, structured programming language. C Sharp is a structured programming language in the sense that we can break the program into a parts using functions, so it is easy to understand and modify. Next, rich library and fast speed. Rich library and fast speed means C Sharp provides a lot of inbuilt functions, class libraries inside it, and its compilation and execution time is fast. So that's all about today's video. In the next video, we see the installation process of Visual Studio and its basic information. Thank you.